Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland JX-08 synthesizer and you want to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this synthesizer not working right, or if it's giving you weird sounds and stuff like that, doesn't seem to be responding or lagging, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. The other reason is if you've got a whole bunch of your presets, configurations, everything like that, you don't want to undo them manually. You just want to get a fresh start and get everything back to its out-of-the-box default settings. We can do that real easily. All we need to do, we're going to start with the unit turned off. And with the unit turned off, we're going to come and find the part section. We're going to find the part B button. We're going to press and hold the part B button while we turn it on. And if we do this right while we're turning it on, holding this button, then this page tie button will blink. And from here, you have an option to cancel or to continue. If you want to cancel, you just turn it off and it will cancel you out. If you want to continue, you'll just go ahead and hit this page tie button. And then once that happens, the initialization and factory reset will begin. Don't mess with it while it's doing that because it can damage it. Just allow it to finish. And you'll know it's finished because on the screen when it's done, it will show up D-O-N-E, done. At which point then you can go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on, and set it up as a new device.